Okay naman sa English yan.
Banas, init.
Papahair ka to. Di ba naman siya lasang expat? This is my work bag. Why you sent me too many, dude? Nawawala kasi yung cup ko. Local barber. It's almost 12. Magpapahaircut ako. Oh, Baymax. Sabi. Nawawala kasi yung cup ko. Dead mo. But before that, ano to? Shorts. Oh, shorts yun. Baka di kayo maniwala. Before ako magpagupit, mag-withdraw muna ako. Sana may cash sa 7-Eleven. Kasi laging walang cash dun sa ATM nila. Parang gago. Parang mabango. Bakit? Chapstick? Kailan ba expiration ito? So nakikita. Di pa naman siya lasang expired. Last year ko pa kasi binili.
Banas, init. Lalakad lang ako kasi malapit lang naman yung barbershop dito sa akin.
This is my new hair. Actually, sabi ko lang dun sa aking local barber. Local barber? Pagpasok ko kasi sabi niya, ganun ulit. Sabi ko, pwede naman. Pero if may gusto kang ibang gupit, edi go. Yung ulo ko kasi, weirdo yung korte. Pinaglihi ako ng nanay ko sa siopaw. So yung ulo ko, hugis siopaw. Tapos oblong pa yung mukha ko. O diba? Ang hirap-hirap bagayan ng buhok. You know, nakikita nyo yan. Sobrang lucky. I'm just waiting for a package to arrive. Shout out to you, Yana. I'm gonna work now. I'll try to film, not today, but probably some other day. What I do as a freelance graphic designer here in the Philippines. I'll tell you how hard it is to get a client here in the Philippines unless you got connections already. Okay naman sa English yan. This is my work bag. Here lang sa bahay. Pero pag lumalabas yung guyard yung dalawa. So, my friend, Yana, sent me a gift. Out of conscience there. Nah, I was just kidding. Let's unbox it. Ooh, girl. Why you sent me too many, dude? What the fuck? She sent me way too many. What am I gonna do with all these? Grabe yan siya. And there's a ring as well. She knows me too much. She knows I love jewelry. I know you're gonna watch this. Thank you. Actually, ako nagsend sa kanya nitong necklace. Tinanong niya ako. Thank you, Yana. Slay.